Unlock the power of direct communication with your audience by building custom forms on your WordPress website. And today, Wscube will show you exactly how. First, we need to ensure you have the Wscube Forms plugin installed. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Then go to Plugins, and then add new search for Wscube Forms and click Install Now, followed by Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new Wscube Forms option in your WordPress sidebar. Click on this to access the plugin's main dashboard. To start building your form, click on the prominent Create New Form button. This will take you to the Form Builder interface. You're now in the Wscube Forms Builder on the left. You'll see a library of all the available form fields. Think of these as building blocks for your form. To add a field, simply click and drag the desired field, such as a text field, email, or text area, and drop it onto your form canvas. It's that intuitive. Once a field is on your form, click on it to customize its settings. You can change its label, add placeholder text to guide your users, and even mark fields as required to ensure you get all the necessary information. You can add as many fields as you need. Let's try a checkbox for multiple selections, or a drop-down for a single choice from a list. As you build, remember to periodically click the Save Form button to ensure you don't lose any of your progress. Once your form is complete, Wscube Forms makes it incredibly easy to integrate it into your website. You can find options to copy a shortcode or directly embed the form where you need it. Simply paste this shortcode into any page or post editor on your WordPress site. And there you have it, a dynamic and functional custom form ready to collect data, gather surveys, or manage registrations, all powered by Wscube Forms.